late, I'm awake and shit. Ella in my head, plus it's so loud in here. Underneath these LED lights, and I'm glistening and stumbling towards you.
I haven't zoomed in too much. Yeah, zoomed all the way out. Hey guys, so I don't want to shout, but I don't know what he does about that. I don't like this angle. Anyway, anywho, so we're getting some freebies. We are on our second flight to Bangkok. We just did our first one to Doha, and this never happens to us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got an amenities kit. But yeah, this doesn't happen to us, and we have an extra seat. Yeah, so we're going to stretch out, which is amazing. Wow, this is too close. Okay, that's a bit bad. Yeah, we shall see you guys in Bangkok. Do you know what?
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This is your captain speaking.
So as I was saying, what was I saying? Oh yeah, hey, not even that. Hey guys, it's a bit noisy, but welcome back to my channel. And I'll see you guys in Bangkok. Hi guys, and yes, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, and I will explain my absence in a few vlogs time. I haven't flown with Qatar in many years, so it was nice to receive an amenities kit whilst flying in economy. You get a toothbrush, eye mask, socks and earplugs. I decided to treat myself to apple juice, pineapple juice and a vodka and orange. I know, pushing a boat out. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, MG, and if you're new here, my name is Michaela. So today we are in Bangkok. We got here, we arrived at 6:30. We was meant to arrive at 7, but yeah. And we semi-checked into our hotel. Can't check in yet because it's check-ins at 3. Although the first time we came to Bangkok at the same brand of hotel, we was able to check in at 10. But they're going to try and see if they can check us in earlier. But we had a quick shower in the onsen and we walked around the hotel. Like I said, we stayed at this brand before, which I really liked, so it was a no-brainer to stay here again. And the time right now is 11:38, and if I show you, you see that 37 degrees. So I'm sitting under this. Richie's inside having a nap. Hopefully we'll head to the M-Sphere Mall, which is literally up the road. But walking in this heat, if you saw us earlier with our suitcase, yeah. We've also got a dinner cruise later tonight, so I'm looking forward to that. And we're staying at Staybridge Suite in Sukhumvit, I think the area is called. I'm probably butchering the word. I will show you guys around the hotel once people are more decent, including the onsen. I think I showed you guys the onsen the last time. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. We are in Bangkok for 3 nights. Then we head to Chiang Rai, which we haven't been to yet. And then we're in Chiang Mai, and then we're in Singapore. So I'll see you guys then. Sleeping. As I had previously mentioned, last year we stayed at the Staybridge Suites in Thonglor. This time we were down the road in Sukhumvit. I do apologize for my pronunciations. Both hotels have women and men onsens, which also include a sauna and steam room. Luckily, nobody was in here whilst I was filming. The hotel also has a gym and a mini shop that you can find down by reception. Hey guys, we are in the room. You know what's coming, room tour. This is the bathroom, nice and spacious. We also have amenities. So we got some toothbrush bits and pieces, towels, got even a scale, and we've got the kitchen with a microwave, and we've got washing machine, fridge, coffee, tea stuff, kettle, toaster, and a hob because we got pots as well. Little dining area, nice little mirror, TV, king size bed, got the sofa going on here, and yeah, this is our room for the next 3 nights. And let's see who our neighbors are. If I can find the gap, here we go. These are our neighbors. That is our pool down there, and that is their pool. Totally forgot to check the cupboard. We got dressing gowns and slippers. The shuttle to take us up and down the road.
I've been shooting at the range, tell me that's a hit. Now you're telling me to change, homie, that's some shit. I've been going insane, about to make a grip. I've been doing my thing, right? I've been doing my thing, yeah. I've been doing my thing, playing may know what I'm talking about. Yeah. These days too blurred, I'm stressing my teammates deserve their blessing. My teenage years earned my setting, I never got stopped, but the glass stay ready, yeah, shooting for the stars. I'm a work of art, you can feel my scars, brush strokes evolve. Ain't picture perfect, but the picture worth it all. I'm at the top, ayy, come in the dark, give me the bounty, I'll rock, conscious of my babe. Swing for the fence and break windshields of cars, who could I call and say? I need $1 million for all of my dogs, cause I'm gonna find a way. Or someone's accountant's gonna get popped, I promise. Range, tell me that's a hit, now you're telling me to change, homie, that's some shit. I've been going insane, about to make a grip. I've been doing my thing, right? I've been doing my thing, yeah. I've been doing my thing, playing may know what I'm talking about.
I don't freaking know. Because they're even advertising it over there. Yeah. It is open. I just don't know how you get there. What am I recording?
Traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind, but maybe everything we can make it right. Took you for a top-down drive, just you and me and an empty road. Maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go.
So we're doing a river cruise. It was a mission. So we had to grab a boat because, yeah, first one cancelled, second one, oh my gosh, the traffic was disgusting. How long were we in there?
We had 45 minutes.
I feel like we were in there for like an hour or something. We were in the car. We were in the car for a long time.
We fell asleep.
Fell asleep multiple times. It was, yeah, I thought we weren't gonna make it in time, but we're here now. So we're in the queue, and then we're gonna end up on the ship shortly. So as you can see, Rich in the background. But yeah, I'll see you guys on there. There are multiple sunset and dinner cruises to choose from, and prices vary depending on your chosen day, boarding location, and which deck you want to dine from. You also need to check in and collect your tickets within half an hour to 15 minutes before you are due to set sail at the location specified in your email confirmation. I Don't know what this is. Smells fizzy. It's just juice. Tastes like Vimto or Ribena. Shot of Vimto. Hey. Guys, so you know how I mentioned at General Reggae Cruise, the buffet was crazy. This is worse. This is worse.
Girl, I know it ain't been easy. You've been splitting even. Baby, I really wanna get to know you right this time. Give me the pieces. It's all I need, babe. Yeah. I wish that you would give me a sign. I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the moment all night. Yeah. I've been waiting for the
Good morning, guys. So today is our second day and we are heading to the floating market and also the train market. We're doing this via a tour and we booked it by Viator.
She said her favorite color yellow.
So we are at the train market. It's quite interesting. The train will be here in the hour. So we have time to do some window shopping before it comes.
It looked good on her dress. Tryna be slim fit.
Richie!
The summertime crushes even notice it burns in July. And it felt like a dream, but a dream is the best kind of lie, yeah.
Guys, I tried recording earlier. Actually, I did record earlier. Friggin' lens was zoomed in, did I realize? And I am sweating. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's nice though. Not complaining too much.
So we're in a very hot Vietnam market area, and it's hard to believe that in about 2 minutes' time, a train is going to come passing through here. So everyone's just getting ready.
Let me take you to the places that you can't go. Walking on the moon and sliding, dodging raindrops. Papa was a gangster, mama still an angel. Too much on my plate, but I can handle 8 balls. Thugging, fucking.
It's mad. It's actually very cool.
Yes, I like the peaks, but all these valleys make the summits. Stomach rumbling, I'm throwing up 100. Family man with money, man, I'm looking like a husband. Bitch, I'm handsome. All these damn fools, grab a handful. I'm a handful, baby, throw your hands up. Paint a face like L.I.O. up in Titanic. Foreign tongue, but money talking every language. Back that thing on up like your whole life depended on it. Plug bitch on the plug, we say fuck the federalists, fuck Confederate flags. Y'all the narcs up in the party, y'all can get the big last shit. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. I don't need a
Health and safety's coming out.
และผู้มาใช้บริการเป็นจำนวนมากขอความร่วมมือจากทุกท่านโปรดดูแลความปลอดภัยทุกตัวของท่านด้วยค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Out of flour, okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
push to start it. Fuck with me and I might turn you to a cock. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. I don't need a push to start it. Fuck with me and I might turn you to a cock.
Damn, it's busy, baby. Mr. Take it easy, baby. She say who you think you is, bitch. I feel like we's baby. I'm the captain and lieutenant, not the army of the navy, bitch. The captain of the cranes got these bitches going crazy, Lord. Please don't get me started in this bitch. You gon' make me pop a molly, go retarded in this bitch. You gon' make me buy some bottles, throw a party in this bitch. Probably smashing all the models, feel like Yeezy in this bitch. Don't get me started.
Yeah, bitch, don't get me started.
Yeah, this is very cool. back to normal.
Bitch, don't get me started. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. Bitch, don't get me started. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. I don't need a push to start it. Fuck with me and I might turn you to a cock. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. Yeah, bitch, don't get me started. I don't need a push to start it. Fuck with me and I might turn you to a cock.
So we are at the floating market and guess who I ran into? Harriet Hapra. So I'm gonna link her down. I was in so much excitement that I didn't even whip out my phone to even film us. But yeah, it was actually really lovely in person, even though we didn't get much time to talk because she's going on a tour on the floating market as well. So yeah, looking forward to watching her vlog featuring me somewhere in the video.
Putting in some manpower in this, see?
So I just got some coconut ice cream for 60 baht and I will work that out later. Why have I not tried this before, please?
What's her name?
Hey guys, so I've had this dish before, but I can't remember the name of it. But this cost us total of £4.31, 200 baht. Crazy. So we've just done a massage chair, 20 baht for 10 minutes, and it was amazing. Where is he? There he is. Yeah, so our tour we have done. We are in Icon Siam, but in the one opposite, so the smaller one, which we didn't know existed the last time we were here. And I've been hunting for this lip balm. Oh, sorry, you can grab my bag. Don't forget yours as well. So I've been hunting for this lip balm, which I originally purchased here in Thailand in the King Power building, and it's a Korean brand. So when we went to Korea last year, could I find it? No. So now we're back in Thailand. I brought so many, and plus it's on sale as well, so ching ching. Hi all, I just want to say I'm sorry for all the shakiness and motion sickness you may have endured. I think my personal stresses and nerves during this period got the better of me. By the way, I'm trying to do more voiceovers, so do let me know if they are a yay or a nay in the comments, please. Today of all days, I decided to not walk with my wide lens that I use with my Sony ZV-1, and well, as you can see, I couldn't fit the whole reclining Buddha in. I know, sad times.
What's your sign? You got the shine. They look him up, but they know them so. Keep money, so. This shit makes you expose you. Oh, my baby, you my baby. I'm talking real, for real. Go on and dance it. This shit makes you expose. Oh, my baby, you're my baby. I'm talking real, keep on it, so. This shit makes you expose. Oh, my baby, you're my baby. I'm talking real.
Made it! So there were people coming and I had to put my hand out to stop them from walking. Oh my gosh, I'm in the massage chair. Oh my god. So finally, after I've been craving for it, I've got mango sticky rice. This costs 100 baht. It's not the cheapest and it's not the most expensive, but I'm pleased because I got a good amount of mango. And then these are coconut pancakes, and the guy also gave us Thai tea flavored for free, so I got 2 of those. I'm gonna try what those taste like. But yeah, this is our last night in Bangkok and I have one lash hanging. Oh my gosh, what is the time? Like 8 something? 10 to 9. This is the earliest we've been back at the hotel after being out for the past 2 days, and we have an early night because we are out early tomorrow, and then we fly to Chiang Mai. Then we fly to Chiang Rai. So if I don't see you guys in the morning, I see you in Chiang Rai.